Want to make money with AI, but have no clue where to start? Let's fix that now. AI isn't just robots. It's smart software creating text, art, and even trading stocks. Use ChatGPT to write blogs and sell your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Easy cash. Create breathtaking AI art with MidJourney and sell on Etsy or Redbubble. No artsy skills needed. Plan and launch your own course using AI. Teach what you love. AI does the heavy lifting. No-code tools plus AI let you build apps solving real problems. Charge monthly fees. Create YouTube videos with AI-driven scripts, edits, and voiceovers. Monetize smarter. Start small, pick one AI method, and watch real income roll in. Action beats perfection. Solve real problems and save time with AI. That's your shortcut to success. Many are already earning with AI. You can too. So stop overthinking and start now. AI isn't here to replace you. It's your ultimate empowerment tool. Ready to turn AI into income? Like, subscribe, and comment what you want next. Lightbulb make money with AI. Start today. Music fades out.